Hey folks, spotty showers showing up across parts of the valley this afternoon, mainly in the west. You're not seeing a whole lot in the east, but go out here into western, kind of northwestern or western Hidalgo County. This is 107 coming out of Edinburgh out to Alton out here. So right there, just a little bit north of 107. And then down in Alton, a couple more showers beyond that. We don't expect anything to get too big, but a few raindrops on the windshield nonetheless. If we go out to the west, also tracking just a little bit of rain, a couple of showers right near Roma, east side of Roma, and then some stuff up close to Falcon Lake, just about to cross the dam, maybe move right up over the lake. But again, nothing big, but spotty showers out there. You look at the picture from the daytime today, one batch of clouds moving over for some rain that fired up earlier, and that's the clouds you're seeing across a lot of the valley right now. And now we're seeing a few sprinkles coming out of those clouds as they make their way across the region. I think for the most part, we stay quiet most of the nighttime tonight and pretty much most of the day tomorrow as well. Can a sprinkle be ruled out? No. But for a vast majority, if not everybody, it is a dry day across the area once again. Thursday looks mainly dry as well, and with that, temperatures begin their warming trend. It's already begun, but it'll just continue all the way into and through the weekend. We're dry. Again, you can't completely rule something out tomorrow, but I think most of us are dry and rain-free for a while. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand right now. 94 McAllen, 91 Harlingen, 86 in Port Isabel. The lows tonight should be in the mid-70s, low to mid-70s across the area. The warm spot, the beach at about 77. That'll be the cool spot during the daytime tomorrow at 86. Everybody else back into the 90s once again. The next 3 days, the normal high is down 91. We're going 94, 94, 95, and it just continues going up from there. Texas is relatively mild today, only in the 80s, all the way up to Dallas, back into Abilene, 92 in Del Rio, 94 in Laredo this afternoon. Let's look at our satellite image over the region, and you can see it's been kind of spotty activity today where the action has been kind of in the Caribbean. This guy right down here, Hurricane Center's keeping a close eye on this system, says this is when we may have our first named system before we get to June 1st. It's got not much chance of developing the next 2 days, but as it moves up into the eastern Gulf, about a 40% chance of turning into a tropical entity. For us, the news is it stays to our east, and if anything, we're very much on the dry side of things and the hot side of things as well. It may make our temperatures go up even more as we head into the weekend, but if it gets in here and forms, it would be the first named storm of the season. Maybe Alberto. We'll keep an eye on that. Traveling across Texas tomorrow, you start the day in San Antonio, maybe a shower or thunderstorm, 72. Houston 72, Dallas 73 in the morning. Most of the state warms into the 80s. We will be warmer than that. So for tonight, 73 for a low, partly cloudy. A few clouds show up later on, east to southeast winds. Not all that strong, about 5 to 12. Then tomorrow, partly sunny skies, back up to 94. Winds stay out of the southeast, east-southeast most of the day tomorrow. Back to 94 Thursday. Friday, we're 95. And let me get out of the way for the holiday weekend. Look at that. 97, 99, and then 100 by Memorial Day and the day after. We are looking at some very warm temperatures from the weekend on into most of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back right after the break.